What I do, I copy the front cover, okay, and I bring it over my template, my notebook template. I drag and drop it in there. I copy the back cover. I do the same. I bring it over my back cover of my notebook mockup, like you see. And now I'm going for a background for the image. I'll go in my elements, find some wooden desk backgrounds. I select it, right click, set image as background, and so we have our first mockup. The same thing I'm going to do with the next. I copy the front cover, okay, bring it over my mockup, drag and drop it in the front cover, okay. I go back, take my back cover, I drag and drop it into the back cover of my mockup, and then we're going to fix the background. Go back to our elements, look for other wooden backgrounds. I found this one. I right click, select set image as background, and then we have a background. Sometimes you need to adjust it, okay.
Strawberries red and super sweet. Bananas yellow and loves a beat. They dance around in a fruity band, spreading joy all through the land. Straw ba ba ba, very bright. Nai banana.
And here are all our mockups. You see how amazing they are? If you are interested in the templates and also in the images, let me know below because I have a great bundle for you. 30 to 35 images for $10 only. Let me know.